Hello everyone, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience for 50% faster job preparation. The SEBI short notification or an advance intimation has already been released. The details we had already discussed. In this video, I'm also going to talk about few doubts you had related to eligibility and what is your competition like looking at the application trend and the vacancies trend over the last few years for the SEBI Legal. The detailed notification SEBI has informed will come out on the 30th of October. And as of now, the advance intimation is talking about the eligibility and the number of vacancies. In legal, there are 20 vacancies, a good number of vacancies as compared to last year when there were only 5 vacancies. The eligibility continues to be simple. All you need is a bachelor's degree in law from any recognized university. Experience is desirable, not mandatory. So there were students who had some query whether if they have experience, or if they are fresher, they don't have experience, will they be eligible? Yes, you will be eligible. All you have to do is work hard to ensure that you get good marks, so that if there is a little preference, desirable experience, they give 3.75 marks additional at the time of interview, that you can overcome by your performance in your mains exam. So that's the only thing you need to do. So otherwise, from eligibility point of view, only need a bachelor's degree. If you have experience, then in that case the 2-year experience will be considered after the experience you have gained after enrolling under the Advocates Act. Again, enrollment with the bar is not a mandatory qualification to appear for this exam. So I hope this clarifies all your issues related to eligibility or confusion related to eligibility. If you have any further query, you can of course ask again in the comments box. As far as your eligibility with terms of age is concerned, you should be of 30 years of age maximum, and this is as of the cutoff date of September 30th 2025, right? So that is your age limit. And yes, there are relaxations that are given as per government rules for SC/ST category, OBC, ex-servicemen, so all those will continue to apply, right? So this is as per the notification for the eligibility. You can also apply for 2 streams, 2 posts, in which one can be legal and the other can be general category. So if you have a bachelor's degree in law, you will also be eligible to apply from the general category. So yes, students can apply. Now that decision you can take depending on how well you are prepared for both the streams. Here paper 1 will be common, but paper 2, which is related to your subject or stream, will be different. Another point of confusion was that if you are in the final year, examination is you are going to appear for, then can you apply or not? Yes, you can apply, but what it means here is that you should have appeared or will be appearing for the final examination of your law degree as on the last date of filing the online application window. So we know the application window is going to start from the 30th of October, right? And it is likely, once it is open, we will know the end date, but it will be likely somewhere between 20-25 of November that this will be open. So till that date, you should have given your final exam and awaiting results. Plus, till the final stage and the final list of students who get selected in SEBI 2025 legal post comes out, till that time you should have got your degree. You should have completed and become a bachelor's holding a degree in law by that time. So that is the condition. So in case your examination is going to be held in March 2026 or June 2026, in that case you may not be eligible for the current cycle. However, you can apply and have a real experience of how this exam works so that you can crack it in your next cycle when you are eligible. So that is what is meant by being in the final year. I hope this clarifies all your questions related to eligibility. So let's now understand what is your competition likely to be for the legal post. If we see 2020, this is the year since when iExamB has been guiding you for the preparation of SEBI legal exam. We saw a total of 34 vacancies come out. That time around 14,000 students had applied for it. However, only 7,400 went to give the exam. Right, so these were the serious ones. The others had only applied and did not really go to give the exam. Your phase 1 cutoff is general in nature, which is 80. I will talk about in detail in some other videos. So you can subscribe to the channel so that you keep getting all the information related to your SEBI legal exam. The number of students who could clear the phase 1 was 1175, and the ones who appeared for interview was 99. Moving to 2022, we had 16 vacancies come out. That time around 10,000 students had applied and around 1,500 had cleared the phase 1 and went on to give the phase 2 exam. 48 students were called for interview and finally 16 were selected. So for interview, usually 3 times the vacancies the candidates are called. Right, so this is 3 times the vacancies approximately candidates are called for the interview, right? And this is what is important for you because in SEBI, this is the exam which allows a general cutoff. So it is one of the easiest exams to clear from the prelims or phase 1 point of view. So the students who are actually intending to become SEBI Grade A officers take it seriously and ensure that their name comes in the phase 2, right? So there you are still not competing with each other, you are still only trying to showcase your best. So that is why it is very important that you focus and pay attention to phase 1 in a manner that you are able to crack phase 2 and reach the final list. 2023, we had 25 vacancies, around 11,000 students applied, and 1,400 reached the phase 2 level. And in 2024, we saw one single digits vacancies come out, which is 5,000 students had applied for it, and 629 reached the phase 2 level. And this year, 25, we have 20 vacancies. We are back to double digits. In our previous video, we had been talking about SEBI Legal is going to come, and it is very, very likely they will have double digit vacancies. And yes, we have 20 vacancies come out in legal, which is a very good number of vacancies. What is likely to be the number of applicants? Seeing the past trend, I can say very, very easily somewhere around 12,000 students should be applying for this particular vacancy. And the ones who are likely to reach phase 2 should be higher. This time I expect around 2,000 students to reach, because students are getting better in understanding phase 1 and making sure that they are reaching the phase 2. So that is what I think should be there. This is what is likely to be your serious competition, and you have to ensure that you are making your name in the top 60, which are the people who will be reaching the interview stage 3 times, right? So start today, understand the exam well. We will keep doing a lot of workshops, classes, videos for your help, for your preparation, to help you crack it. As I told, iExamB has been guiding for SEBI Legal since 2020, and we are happy to be a part of journey of so many students who have made it to SEBI Grade A Legal Officers post. Over the years, the selection rate has only been going up, and we intend to keep it going up to 100% this year. The exam pattern consists of your phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1 exam will have 2 papers. Paper 1 will be focused on your general aptitude understanding, consisting of general awareness with focus on finance sector, English, quantitative aptitude, and test of reasoning. And paper 2 will be your legal based paper. In phase 2, again, you will be tested on your English writing skills and drafting skills, and followed by a legal paper, which will consist of a combination of objective and descriptive. Objective will be of 70 marks with 70 MCQs, and descriptive will include 3 descriptive questions of 10 marks each. So this is what you have to attempt and follow. The syllabus in detail we have been discussing, and as I stated, I will separately discuss what you need to do. Yesterday we held a workshop where Indra ma'am explained in detail the syllabus and what you should be your approach for preparation to ensure what is important, where you should focus, where you should study bare acts, where you should focus on MCQ practice and all, so that you can prepare and crack the exam in 2 months. So we are, and many of the students could not attend, so we are holding another workshop tomorrow, 12th of October, where again you will be guided for both paper 1 and paper 2 for the legal students by Indra ma'am, as to how you will approach and how we will help you crack this exam. You can have a look at our demo courses, which are freely available for you to check out, and we will be starting a batch soon, of course, for your preparation, to give you a holistic edge over other competition. If you have any other query, reach out to us at hello@exambi.com or call us at 920 552 4028. Wishing you all the best.